Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Websites Pros. In this video, we'll go over the very basic installation and configuration here, as well as content management. So let's just jump in here and get started. When you log in and your first installation is ready, you'll arrive at the main dashboard here. You'll first notice a chart that displays a breakdown of the types of users that are available in the system, including the admin, as well as a breakdown of what types of content compose your website. Now let's start beginning our customization, including uploading our logo here to make it look nicer for us. We'll just come to Settings, come to the Logo tab, and upload our logo. We'll upload our favicon, and we'll do a splash screen logo as well, which is normally used for mobile devices. Once they're uploaded, we can refresh, and we see that it's good to go. Now you can see on the left here, we have our different modules. And for the record, the logo that we just uploaded here is actually now a shortcut to previewing our work at any time. The website module is active from the get-go, and here under the Settings, Modules tab, we can activate others, such as Media, so that we can upload images and video. And we'll save that. Now in this video, we'll only deal with content, but as you can see, there are plenty of other modules here that we'll be able to make use of. And we can pull up our media library here, which we can upload to directly. So let's go ahead and upload our logo again, as well as some other content. And now all of that's in our library and available to us at any time. Now let's see how this all works together when creating the layout of our web pages. At the moment, we can see that if we inspect the source of this page here, we already have some data in our basic page, including the opening and closing HTML tags. In this section, we have the head, which is mostly reserved for our meta tags and title, the style, and so on. And of course, the body, which will contain our content. And both of these will contain everything our web page is going to display. If we have a header, a footer, and so on, all of that will be contained here. And generally, at the end here, you'll find the JavaScript links to dynamically manipulate the content of the page. Now, all of this layout is controlled by these resources in our administration. So let's first start with selecting our theme we'd like to build the website with, which will dictate the overall feel and look of the website. Here we have 3 predefined themes, and each one of these can be easily extended. To do so, we'll just click Create a New Theme, select one of our themes to extend, and modify it according to our needs. Our base theme is basically blank with no styling whatsoever. Bootstrap will contain the Bootstrap styles that are in this version. And Material Design is a Bootstrap style with a Material Design look and feel. And each of these themes can employ a number of different templates, which deals with the layout. To create a template, I'd want to simply create, select the theme I want to use, and select an appropriate template type depending on what kind of layout I'd like, whether I'd want a sidebar or not, a full-length page, and so on. And lastly, we have those pages. Each of our pages will belong to a template, and each page also has components that can be imported and added to it. And these components can be reused in other pages. And that's it. Those are the very basic building blocks that we use to compose a website.